Namaste everyone. Namaste Zoe.
Namaste, Neeraj.
I hope everything is well with you, Zoe, and everybody. And I hope everybody is enjoying our series. This is going to be the fourth episode of Learn Hindi from beginner to intermediate and advanced. So far, we have covered a lot. You can also check the previous videos below. In this session, we are going to cover the subject form. All right, so it's different than any other language because we use. I mean, it of course is different in any other language. So in Hindi, we tend to add to after the subject that makes the subject totally different. We will cover that. But Zoe and everybody, do you guys remember the subjects? How to say that?
Yes.
In the subjects, can you say that quickly?
Okay. मैं, तुम, आप,
Yeah, बहुत अच्छा.
हम,
Mm-hmm.
ये, वो, ये लोग, वो लोग.
That's great. Covered completely. Now we're just going to add to afterwards, like to I, because to I becomes me, to me, right? If we learn this adding to, trust me, you're going to make a lot of sentences with that. And by the end of this video, you guys will understand that how much you already know just by learning this simple thing. Okay? So,
Okay.
now this is मैं, right? मैं becomes मुझे, मुझको. There are two different ways to say to me and to all other subjects. All right. So मैं becomes मुझे, मुझको. मुझे, मुझको. Same thing. Depends on the people. Depends on you what you want to use. All right. But I'm going to teach you both because you're going to hear both. Different people tend to use different one. All right. People can use मुझे, or people can use मुझको. So
Okay.
I'll say मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें.
मुझ. Okay.
First of all, everybody
Yes.
will just listen, okay? मुझे,
Yes.
मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको. आपको is just आपको. We have only one here, all right? आपको, to
Okay.
you. So to me, मुझे, मुझको, two different one. तुम्हें, तुमको, आपको. हमें, हमें, हमको, to us, or to us.
Okay.
हमें, हमको.
Mm-hmm.
इसे, इसको. इसे, इसको. उसे, उसको. उसे, उसको. Now, if you are wondering why I'm saying him and her twice, I'm saying one for the feminine, and one masculine. So masculine, there are two ways to say ise, and you can also say isko. Feminine, ise and isko. And if they are not present, they are far away, right? If they are far away or not present, you would say to him, use or usko. And same for the feminine, use or usko. All right. Now, of course, we're going to practice. Just let me complete this and we will practice on that. Now, to them, इन्हें, if they are close, इन्हें, इनको, far away, उन्हें, उनको. All right. We have said a lot of things. Time to practice. Okay. So, मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको. मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको. मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको.
Okay. मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको.
Very good. मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको. One more
मुझे,
time.
मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको.
आपको.
आपको.
This one simple, right? मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको, आपको.
मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको, आपको.
Okay. मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको, आपको. Now us, to us, two ways. हमें, हमको, to us. हमें, हमको.
हमें हमको.
मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको, आपको, हमें, हमको.
मुझे मुझको तुम्हें तुमको आपको हमको.
और
हमें
हमें, हमको. Same thing. Two
Okay.
ways to say. Two ways to say. हमें, हमको.
Yes. हमें हमको.
One more time. मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको, आपको, हमें, हमको, इसे, इसको, इसे, इसको. Just he. इसे, इसको.
इसे इसको. इसे इसको. इसे इसको.
Yeah. उसे, उसको, उसे, उसको.
उसे उसको. उसे उसको.
Well done. Everything. मुझे, मुझको, तुम्हें, तुमको, आपको, हमें, हमको, इसे, इसको, इसे, इसको, उसे, उसको, उसे, उसको.
मुझे मुझको तुम्हें. None. No.
Yeah. Go on,
तुम्हें
start.
तुमको. Oh. Should I start again?
Yeah.
Okay. मुझे मुझको तुम्हें तुमको आपको हम है हमको इसे इसको इसे इसको उसे उसको उसे उसको
Yeah.
What
इन्हें,
else?
इनको, इन्हें, इनको,
इन्हें इनको
उन्हें, उनको.
उन्हें उनको.
All right. So this is these are all the subjects when you add to inside them. Now, once you learn this by heart, all right, you have to just rewatch the video, go rewind that, rewatch and practice. Then we will be able to make the sentences like I know, I don't know, right? You will be able to say should, like know, knowing, not knowing, should, shouldn't, like, dislike, and there are many like that. But all has to be starting from this, not just like English, like I should or I know or I like. It's in Hindi, it's to me, something like that. Okay, we will cover that. So make sure you learn these guys. Okay, just practice this and just subscribe and follow for the next video because we're going to make phrases with them. So in next session, we're going to cover likes and dislikes using all these. All right. So yeah, and also Zoe, complete this in the next session. Tomorrow, we're going to cover that. And if you guys want sessions, personalized sessions like Zoe with our professional native tutor, just go simply below, make a free trial booking. You don't have to, pay anything for that. You don't have to even use your card. Just simply test what is our method without using any textbook or grammatical expect a lot. And sooner we're going to also start the visual learning method, and you're going to also witness that in your trial class. So yeah, it's free. Go book a trial class or download a free book that you can, so you can just learn the basic foundational Hindi from the book. I see you in the next video, Zoe. And I also see you guys in the next video. Until then, namaste.
Namaste.